native privacy blockchain. So we discussed before, right? There are a few solutions, and now we're gonna dive more into the native privacy solutions. Those that are zk-SNARK based and ring signature stealth address based. So overall, you can think conceptually of the different privacy properties as either decoy or k-anonymity privacy. K-anonymity meaning, for example, you are 1 in 1,000 users, and there's a 1 in 1,000 chance that an adversary identifies you. This is called k-anonymity. I would call n-anonymity privacy blockchains such as Zcash, so techniques based on zero-knowledge proofs, right? So the whole set of users is really a possibility here. So Zcash is a Bitcoin fork, so the same network layer, but additional privacy features were added. So in particular, we have the transparent transactions, or T addresses, and we have the shielded transactions. So transparent transactions are visible just as regular Bitcoin transactions. There's not really a big difference. And the Z transactions are basically the shielded ones. So here's where we don't really know, we should not know the origin, the sender, or the amounts that are being sent. So there's a certain number of coins entering in the Z address transaction, there's a certain number of coins that are exiting, and there must be a zero-knowledge proof that the transaction is valid. So you can see here, for example, if you want to shield, so you can go from a T address into a Z address, right? And the amount will be public. If you want to deshield, so you can go from the Z address pool into the T address pool, this will be public as well, the amount. But if you transfer within the shielded pool from a Z address to a Z address, then the amount, recipient, and sender are private. So zk-SNARK, as you might know, is a non-interactive succinct proof of knowledge, which requires typically a trusted setup. I mean, there are some techniques that don't require trusted setups, and trusted setups can be performed in quite a decentralized way nowadays, which shouldn't be a major concern. So Monero is similar to Zcash, just it's not using zero-knowledge proofs. It's using stealth addresses, and it's using ring signatures or ring confidential transactions to address both unlinkability and untraceability. Right? We have a separate lecture discussing linkability and traceability of transactions.